Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI tools for you to decide which of these tools will be an AI best option for you. So to get started with a quick analysis about Sembly AI and the Capacity AI. So to get started, Sembly is a dedicated AI meeting assistant designed to capture, transcribe, summarize, and extract action items from your meetings across platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. Its main strength lies in turning conversation into structured output, clear summaries, follow-up tasks, speakers identification, and a shareable record. Sembly integrates with tools like Slack, Trello, Salesforce, and HubSpot. However, it's narrowed in focus excellent for meetings workflow, but doesn't extend much beyond that, like personal note or a project database. Now, talking about Capacities, by contrast, is like an AI-powered second brain and a organization hub. It lets you store object, notes, PDF, web link, contract, and all of that in a link in a one link, and also navigate your knowledge in a more networked, flexible way. Its AI assistants can chat on individual content, autofill properties, search over your node, and even interact with large document via an AI editor. It supports multi-platform users, including mobile and tablet, and has a powerful varied features and under constant improvement. On the other side, it requires commitment to build up your knowledge base, has a steeper learning curve, and some users wish it support AI chatting across their entire workspace. And here's a overall conclusion about this two AI platform. So choose a Sembly if your primary need is meeting based, capturing summary and tracking action items from calls with a minimal setup. On the other hand, you can choose Capacities if you want a versatile AI enhanced second brain for organizing knowledge, note, document, and insight across all your personal or professional life, even though it takes more effort to build and learn. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platform and how they can help you automate your workflow. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Thanks.